2021 has been the best year of my life. I've grown from 28,000 subscribers to almost 250,000. In total, my businesses have generated over $2.5 million in revenue, and I've been able to do things for my friends and family that I've always dreamed of. It's crazy because just last year, I was literally at my lowest point. I was almost completely out of money. I had to move back to my parents' house and basically start from ground zero. So in this video, I'm gonna break down my streams of income and exactly how I built them so you can try to do it for yourself. And then to celebrate the holidays, I have something crazy to show you back in my hometown, but we'll talk about that later. Before I get started, I just wanna be real clear on why I'm making this video. This video is not to flex or brag or anything like that. My mission since day one of starting this channel has been to document my journey with as much transparency as possible. I share my losses just as much as my wins to show you the reality of entrepreneurship and to provide some inspiration for those on the same path. It's not easy. I'm not an overnight success. I've been on this journey for over 10 years and I just now had my first 7-figure year in profit. I know in my journey, these type of videos have motivated me like crazy to get to my goals. So hopefully this video can do the same for you. All right, let's get started with business number one. The first business that started all the momentum for this year is my Shopify brand. I started this business last summer at a pretty low point in my life. After a couple years of living in Los Angeles, having some mediocre business success, I started a new company and it did not do that well, which caused me to have to move back to my hometown, back to my parents' home and figure it out again. I wasn't completely broke, but I was basically headed that way. And it actually ended up being a good thing. From taking a step back and being in the place where everything started, it gave me a new sense of motivation and I started working harder than ever before. I built a dropshipping store just like I teach in my videos. I started testing products and within a week and a half, I had found a winning product. And then I doubled down, put as much effort as I can into this product and it started to really work. This business became my main focus for the entirety of 2020 and by the end of the year, I had built a pretty established brand. I have a great team, great product, a bunch of content, good reviews. Going into 2021, I was super excited and I put a lot of work in on this project. And it paid off. If we go to the year-to-date sales on this business, you can see that so far I've sold $1.3 million worth of this product. My team and I accomplished this through a variety of methods. We use Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads. We do influencer marketing. We do some SEO so we can have organic traffic. We're trying to get this product everywhere that we can. And for the profits of this business this year, it's been around $227,000. This is an estimated amount. It's not 100% right, but it's somewhere in that area because everybody asked me about the profit. My goal for next year with this business is actually to sell it. I've been working with a broker and I've already got a valuation for the business, which I'm really excited about. And I think in the next couple months, we're gonna be able to close. And I'll make sure to keep you updated with videos about that on my channel. That business really kickstarted my momentum for 2021 and it opened up the doors for much more lucrative opportunities like this YouTube channel. YouTube has always been a passion of mine. And if you've been subscribed to me for a while, you've probably heard me talk about this already. I've literally been trying to become a YouTuber since I was a little kid. And with the success of my Shopify brand in 2020, I saw this as a golden opportunity to get back into YouTube. So on January 3rd, look at that thumbnail, baby. So on January 13th, I made my return to YouTube. At the time, I had around 28,000 subscribers and I was on a mission. My mission was to really understand the game of YouTube, try to create the most valuable content in my industry and keep getting better with every single weekly upload. And I'm still working on that. But throughout this year of 2021, I have been on an absolute grind. I've posted videos literally every single week through the entire year. I've traveled. I've just done so much stuff on YouTube this year and I'm super excited about it. But man, this year has been crazy. A lot of times you guys just see the finished product of a video, but I don't think you really understand how much work goes into each one of these videos. I probably spend around 3 to 4 hours planning and writing out the video. Then I spend another 5 hours filming the video at least. And then I'll spend like 8 to 12 hours editing my videos, sometimes much more if it's a complicated one. So these videos are not easy. I pretty much do do all the work myself while running my businesses, but listen, I wouldn't trade it for the world. I really feel like making YouTube videos is one of the best jobs ever. Even when it's 3 a.m. and I haven't slept and I gotta finish a video because I gotta post it the next day, I still am thankful for the opportunity. And financially, it's been pretty good as well. This year, my channel in total has generated around $287,000 just from AdSense. In total, I got 7 million views this year and gained over 200,000 subscribers. And like, that's actually the first time I've ever looked at it like that. So, you know, thank you guys so much for all the love you've shown on my channel this year. Literally every single one of you is a family member to me, and I cannot thank you guys enough for showing up every week to support and show love. Thank you. I've got no plans on stopping YouTube anytime soon. I'm gonna double down, keep improving my content, and try to keep getting better with every video. And this YouTube channel actually opened the door to 2 of my most lucrative streams of income. The first one is affiliate marketing. Now, if you watch my videos, you'll notice I don't do a ton of sponsorships or brand deals, but I have done a few of them this year and they've paid pretty well. I can't reveal how much each company paid me because, you know, we signed contracts and all that, but in total from affiliate marketing, I made around $75,000 this year. This mainly came from promoting companies in the e-commerce industry like Alibaba, my fulfillment agent, a couple Shopify apps that I work with. Basically, I make a little 30-second to 1-minute promotion. They send me a check, whoop, 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 the deal is done. The main reason why I don't like doing brand deals is because I actually have my own product to promote. Remember that business I told you about that made me have to move out of LA and back to my parents' house? Well, that business ended up becoming my biggest income stream for 2021. That business is my software company and it's called Viral Vault. Basically, it's the all-in-one toolkit for anybody looking to start their own online store. I'm gonna spare you the 20-minute story on how I started this business because I've already covered it in other videos, but it was a hell of a journey to get this business to be profitable. But for this year of 2021, this business has generated $850,000 in sales. And I just got something in the mail the other day that I'm really excited about. The ClickFunnels 2 Comma Club Award. You can see it says Viral Vault on there. This is something that I have always wanted, and yeah, Again, when I show you these things, I am not trying to flex. I literally went into debt building this business. I would lay in my bedroom, punch the bed frame, and cry myself to sleep because I could not make this business work. I was so down bad, you do not even understand the things that I went through to build this business. It's not like I just had this idea and I started it and I started making bread. Like, I literally went through hell to get this thing off the ground. So I know maybe some of you can relate to that. If you're struggling with your business, just keep going. It will pay off. I'm telling you, I am a testament to that. Whew. Anyways, my goals for the new year with this business is to launch a new version of the software. Me and my team have been developing something crazy, and we're gonna be launching that in the first couple weeks of January. And overall, just to keep getting as many testimonials and helping as many people as possible start their first online store like we've done this year. This year, we've literally helped hundreds of people get started online, and hopefully next year it can be in the thousands. All right, let's move on to the last one. My last stream of income is actually from investing. Now, I gotta say, out of my whole equation, this is my weakest link for sure. I'm like one of those really boring investors that just buys projects long term and just keeps putting money into them. I don't make these like exciting swing trade gains like everybody else does, so I really haven't made that much profit this year from investing. And I didn't really start putting money into my investment accounts until like the summer of this year, so in total, I made around $19,000 in profit from investing. Around 15,000 of that came from crypto, and 4,000 of that came from my stock portfolio. My goal for next year is to do much better in this regard. Obviously, 20,000 in profit's pretty nice, but I wanna be at that level where I'm making hundreds of thousands a year in profit from my investment portfolio. I also wanna expand into real estate, and I really wanna get my first property in Q1 or Q2 of next year, which I'll be documenting the whole thing on this channel. So as you can see, it has been a crazy year. I think the total profit I ended up with is around $1.2 million, which is insane to me. I'm literally just a kid who was raised by a single mother, small city. We used to come up on food stamps. My mom used to make like $20,000 a year. Like, we really got it out of the mud, and I'm telling you, if I can do it, you guys can do it too. And now I want to do something that I've always dreamed of. Growing up for Christmas, my mom always tried her best to get everything me and my siblings wanted, but because of the financial situation, we weren't always able to do that. And I know that there are so many families out there that are experiencing that same struggle. So I've decided I'm gonna go back to my hometown and help some of these families personally. All right, so we're here at my mom's house. Say what's up to everybody.
Hey, good morning everybody.
So basically over the last, what, like 2 weeks?
It's been about 2 weeks.
My mom has been able to find 5 families around our city that are not necessarily in the best situation this Christmas. So we bought a bunch of gifts. My mom actually is the one that did all the shopping, all the planning. I just funded the whole operation. We got a bunch of different presents, and right now we are about to drive around the city and go drop some of these off. All right, Mom, so where's the first stop?
All right, so the first stop that we are going to is a little girl named Rylan. We are bringing little Miss Rylan a brand new twin bed. Mom took me in her bedroom, and unfortunately, she is sleeping on a crib mattress right now. Their house got damaged by a water leak, and so it kind of went into her bedroom and ruined everything in there.
Oh man.
So here we go. Let's see what her expression is going to be. So you want to see your first present that we got for you? Come on, it's in the back of the truck. This is a big bed, and guess who it's for?
It's for you.
It's for you. You got your own big bed now, sister.
It's a big one.
We did take you a picture. Ooh. So tonight you get to sleep in your brand new bed and wait for Santa Claus to come. What do you think about that? Yeah. What is it? Yeah, one more hug and Merry Christmas. Oh. You get Jordan a hug?
Merry Christmas.
Yeah. Oh.
It's that time. Christmas time is here. Everybody knows.
This next person we're about to drop off to, she is a mom. How many kids does she have?
She has 3 children.
Got you. And she's actually looking to go back to school soon to further her career. So we got her kids a bunch of gifts, but we also got her something to help her go back to school. So we're gonna pull up on her and surprise her with that right now. Got some gifts for you, bro.
Oh, what do you got?
Yeah, I heard you were trying to get back into school.
Yeah.
What do you want to study?
Nursing.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, hopefully that can help you out.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
That's looking good. Got ourselves the finest snowman in the neighborhood. Ain't it fun? Always on the run.
We're on our way now to the last house, and before we do that, I just want to give a shout out to you for helping me with this. Tell them what you've had to do to get this done.
So about 2.5 weeks ago, we got the 5 families. I got all their wants and needs. I wrote them down. I shopped, but I'm not gonna lie, I cried. I cried more than once. It's just been the most humbling feeling that I've ever had in my life.
So how does it feel like, you know, coming up the way we came up, like to be able to give back to people like this?
It makes me feel really good that we're able to give, because I was one of those moms that would be today, because today I would have gotten paid, and I would have been scrambling to find those last minute presents that they wanted and hopefully getting them put underneath the tree. I was that mom.
Yeah, so it's the last house. You feel good about the last little drop off now?
I do feel good about the last drop off. Yeah, so this mom, I'm gonna give out one of her presents. She needed tires for her car, and I got that from her best friend because she wasn't gonna tell us what she wanted, because she just mainly was wanting us to focus on her kids. And we
bought her a brand new Lamborghini.
Yeah, right. We bought her. She got new tires for her car.
Yeah.
So yeah, so that's cool stuff.
Yeah, so we're gonna go surprise her with that right now. So I had heard about your car, and you were, you know, struggling to get around. So we basically got some brand new tires, like, for your car. So
thank you. Oh my gosh, I have the worst luck with tires.
I'm
Elsa and Anna.
You have both of them now?
Yeah.
And you got Olaf too.
Or you get to rest a little, huh?
Feels good, man. Feels good. We literally went through the whole city, went through every part of our town, and we're finally done delivering all the gifts. So now I'm gonna go home, enjoy Christmas Eve and Christmas with my family, and I'll see you guys back in Miami.
Merry Christmas!
The last thing I'm gonna do is give back to one of you. In my last video, I announced that I was gonna be giving away a brand new Oculus Quest 2, and I've got a winner for that giveaway. And the winner for the Oculus is Lavish Delium. So go ahead and send me a DM with proof and I'll get your Oculus sent out to you ASAP. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks again for all the love this year. I've got some really cool stuff planned for 2022. I'm gonna be taking a short break at the start of the year and then I'm gonna get straight back to the upload grind. So I'll see you guys in a couple weeks. Peace.